It's finally out. Yay! Mazwi, our app, is finally out. A lot of you have been asking, I need something to help me to learn when I can't go to lessons, and it's out. Mazwi is a spaced repetition app for Shona vocabulary. What does that mean? It means that when you open the app, it's going to show you a word and you learn the word. After you've learned the word will come back for you to remember. If you remember it well, you press Nyore, you're done, and it will come back after a few days. If you don't remember it, you press Ndakanganwa, I forgot. And guess what? It will come back either that same day or tomorrow. So the space repetition algorithm will match where you need to see the words. So it's working. It is down on iOS and on Android. Links are below and wherever the description is, or in a bio link somewhere. So please go and check it out. I am excited, as you can tell. So yes, it's so nice. Thank you. So thank you so much to all of our testers. You guys are amazing. Love you lots. So yeah, see you in the next one. Tonan.